Just walking in the rain, getting soaking wet, torturing my heart by trying to forget. Just walking in the rain, so alone and blue, all because my heart still remembers you. People come to window, they always stare at me, shake their heads in sorrow, saying, "Who can that who be?" Just walking in the lane, thinking how we made, knowing things could change. Somehow I can forget. Just walking in the rain, walking in the rain, walking in the rain, just walking in the rain. Oh, there people come to the window, they always stare at me, shake their heads in sorrow, saying, "Who can that fool be?" Just walking in the rain, thinking how we made, knowing things could change. Somehow I can't forget. They say for every boy and girl and just one love, this will end. I know I found mine. The heavy touch of your embrace, to me no one can tell your place. Every in my heart, young love, first love, filled with true devotion. Young love, our love will share with deep emotion. Oh, just one kiss on your sweet kiss to tell me that your love is real, and I know I found mine. Well, we burn to one another, there will never be another life for you or for me. Young love, first love, filled with true devotion. Young love, our love will share with deep emotion. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because the visions of tree creeping left the seas while I was sleeping, and the vision that was plenty in my dream still remains within the sound of silence. In the street dreams I walked alone, narrow street of cobblestone, near a little open street lamp. I turned my collar to the going down, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of the neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never shared. No one dared just out the sound of silence. Who said I you do not know? Silence like a cancer grows. Give my word that I might teach you. Take my hand that I might beat you. But my wounds like silence when drops fill, echo in the wounds of silence. And the people bow and pray to the young God and May, and the sun flashes each morning in the world that is first morning, and the sun set the wall of the prophets riding on the subway walls, turning holes, whisper in the sound of silence. Listen to the whisper of the falling rain, tell me just what a fool I've been. I wish that he would go and let me cry in vain, and let me be alone again. The only go I care about is gone away, looking for a brand new start. But little does she know that when she left that day, along with her she took my heart. Rain, please let me know that's it fair, for her to stay my heart away when she don't care. I can't love another when my heart's somewhere far away. Listen to the whisper of the falling rain, tell me just what a fool I've been. I wish Dolly would go and let me cry in vain, and let me be alone again. Rain, please tell me no, that's not fair, for her to stay my heart away when she don't care. I can't love another when my heart's somewhere far away. The only girl I care about is has gone away, looking for a brand new start. But little does she know that when she left that day, along with her she took my heart. Oh, listen to the falling rain, pretty darling, pretty darling. Oh, listen to the falling rain.
Say goodbye for the summer. Darling, I promise you this. I say to you all my love, every day in a letter, sealed with a kiss. Yes, it's gonna be a cool, lonely summer, but I feel the emptiness. I say to you all my love, every day in a letter, sealed with a kiss. I see you in the sunlight, I hear your voice everywhere. I long to tenderly hold you, but darling, you won't be there. I don't wanna say goodbye for the summer, knowing the love will miss, only expect the flame to me in September, sealed with a kiss. I see you in the sunlight, I hear your voice everywhere. I long to tenderly hold you, but darling, you won't be there. I don't wanna say goodbye for the summer, knowing the love will miss, won't expect